How where them go for? Two planka shop can have only per top visitor. How where them go for? Two we can have some foreign visitor. How where them go for? Two we have some celebrity visitor. How where them go for? How where them go for? Blanca Nation, how where them go for? What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up? What a great day in Planka Shop today. 3 foreign visitor. Miss Lawton, surprise guest. Chef Noel, him could have been surprise guest too, but guess what happened? Him never want to reach a Planka Shop on 99 or day. So I saw him make a call. Odin from Canada, I don't know the little man there. Where born and, well, I don't know if him born and go, but in a mountain view there Canada with the 360 something with that drive until and around. Yes man. 3 foreign visitors in a one day. Hey, some of them supposed to eat them heart out when them say a shop now well each up in a Planka Shop. Jesus please. Them our thing will say, could it be me? Could it be me? Who know that song there? Could it be me? Some of them I eat them heart out. Not just to say could it be me, but in 2 different ways them I say could it be me? Could it be me in Planka Shop? Could it be me in close proximity with the Chef Noel? You know, having a close up. All we are going to do just more than friendship from Chef Noel. She did want to turn close pin for Chef Noel and she now go up online, go pin close. Whoa! Go see how your heart I eat out. Go so you sit down on the live and watch. Because we don't watch, you know. We don't eat that, we know no watch. Yes, T-Dog, we know no watch, we know no watch, we know no watch. But you know love, say somebody send on this and send on that. Or you know just a stroll through and buck up. You know always a buck up. I don't know how phone face and forehead can swell up. I don't know buck up so half thin. Eh? Me never even see a bus nose. But Planka Nation, it was a good day today though. 3 foreigners visited Planka Shop, boy. Yes man. Miss Lawton one was a big surprise. And me know them type of surprise there, you know. Because if you know you are speak to somebody on the phone for like, nothing like, but like 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago. And within speaking with that person, you tell yourself, say, or in your mind, that person, they, which part of them they are foreign or you don't know them that normally they. And within that 3 hour span, that person turn up at your yard. Come on, y'all depend on the phone. I think say she a cook. Cause you don't know Miss Lawton business is all about cooking or restaurant. And when you look Miss Lawton turn up at your yard, Miss Lawton should have somebody a set out a video. Dana. Yeah. Cause that impression upon the face when she see Miss Lawton, it's not supposed to normal. Because me say, knowing that 3 hours ago you talk to this person where you believe to be way all the way in America and 3 hours. I remember, I know that Miss Lawton have a private jet so she can fly any minute, any hour, any time. And she just turn up at your place. Surprisingly. Would I like see the face. Trust me. But I saw Planka Shops there, you know. This minute it low key, the next minute it move to that distance here. The next minute it move to the height here. Yes man. 0 to 100 at times. So Planka Nation, just place upon yourself. When you go on to the do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel, Life is a Mission TV, and remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy, YouTube link, and Tamika Douglas TV is in the comment section. Pin, go ahead and give them a subscription. I'm taking on 10 subscription a week for them, just to help them reach that 1,000. Somebody said they're going to put the effort out there. If you're not subscribed yet to the channel, including my Life is a Mission channel, where no phone no subscribe yet. Well, most of the new subscribers might not know about the channel as yet. Life is a Mission TV. Go over there and subscribe. And as we said, Tamika Douglas TV in the comment section. Life with Gabby and Chevy family. Just hit the blue writing in the comment section, and when it come up, you hit the subscription written, word, yeah, and then automatically you subscribe, and then press the post notification bell, so when a video drop you will be notified. Remember, press the post notification bell, so when a video drop you're notified instant, and if a live a go on you're notified instant. Alright? Yes man, remember, you ask Harry to get it, the cash app is pinned in the comment section. Go ahead and do what they do. You don't want to gift me, as want to say, I want a way for gift me. When you don't gift me, I take the gift and give back to the needy. Me can buy a pound of rice, a man out there can buy a quarter pound. And all Mr. Chin stop sell quarter pound. So you have to buy at least a pound. Not even half pound them don't want to sell it. Some shop will still sell it half pound. So true, me can buy a pound. When you don't gift me, I take the gift, put where me can put on it at this time of the month, where a month end, where me get less than $500 fan. Me not get so much like Curly, you know, but me still give back, you know, from the liquor where me get. Cause Curly get a whole heap more than me, you know. So me just take from here and me still give back, you know, and give back to the needy, not the greedy. Alright? So, you just do the do. You know what they do. It's not a charity, you don't have to, but I want to ask to give me, and I think hard about it for the new subscribers. I think hard about it. Because I don't want to tangle along with nobody, so them send the money come give me, and them send money come. Me not depend that, because this amount of cut cross, you know, it cut a cross way it cut. And it's not nice if it's supposed to be not nice. Alright. And that's why I declare me now run no charity. I don't have to send it. All who send from a, you know, a place of them art. Willingly. You understand? Yes. And bless up my people them. My little handful, because it's not much. Bless up who can send and still, you know, support the channel by watching the channel and watching the ads. So me can get something from the channel where me can end up put out there. So it's like that little much that support they want to give. That little much where me get from YouTube at the end of the month. Because it's me put in phone a little much. Because you can't afford to send. Or if you're not Jamaica, you can't afford to contribute. Alright? But bless up my people them. The little handful of people them will contribute a month time. Or probably every other month or every 2 months, when them can afford and them send a thing. Bless up on yourself, you know yourself, you don't want someone don't want to the name call, somebody not call no name. You understand what I say? Bless up on yourself, just bless up on yourself, you know yourself. When me I give big up differently, so nobody can pick out and choose and say, oh, so Patsy send money, oh, so Sonia send money. No, because me just give big up right across the board. Me nah big up Patsy, Sonia, or Andrea because she sent $5 or $10. You understand? And the next thing, anybody out there who don't have Cash App or Zelle, which me don't have no Zelle, just the Cash App is there, and you want to reach out to contribute towards, you understand? As me say, it's not a charity, you don't must. But if you feel in yourself, say, I love speak my mind, you know, trust me. I mean, I send a drink or a water go give him because I don't really drink. I don't smoke and I don't drink. Occasionally I will take a sip of some form of alcohol like a lemon beer, a sorrel beer, or a Heineken, but rum and them something that on me. Or probably stone ginger wine. Occasionally, my greatest and biggest drink is water or juice. But if you don't want to reach out, I don't have no Cash App, you can link me up 876 because I have to start use the era code now because there's a new era code out. For Jamaica now, must say 658, so I have to start making you know the right era code. And like one time I just get the number, everybody knows the 876 are the era code. Now it's 2 era code I run at Jamaica now. So my era code is the all era code, which is 876-221-9789. So if you don't want to support the thing, as I say at this time of the month, you can reach out and that is it. Alright? Anyway people, whole heap of chatting. But this video is a low-key video. But the thing is, it's about Marcia. Anything come after a brata. It's all about Marcia. You understand? What I mean I know. Marcia, I come to ask you one question. 2 questions. But people, guess what I know? You see sun shine and the rain are due. I have to go inside. So I go inside because I don't know, we have a little traffic going. Sun shine now and rain a come down at the same time. So I go inside and complete that video yeah, and bring it to you. But this video is about Marcia. Marcia just love freeness. People, boy, I mean, know. You know that video, Marcia, really and truly, I come to give you props. Because I see you do something where I keep on. When me see you do it on and off. But you need to do it continuously where your business is concerned. You understand? And stop the on and off thing. And stop paying more attention to the negative than the positive. This is what I want to see you do, Marcia, man. Come on, man. Show your big deal status. Show your ears of service in social media. And help your business with it, man. And stop pay all the negative mind. Stop take social media so personal. And at the same time, you want to come out here and say things and do things to people. And when it come back around, you have a problem with it. You understand what I said to you? In that video, me see you talk how you're fat and what cause make you feel fat so and way. Now I talk about too much of that video. Like I wait till I reach there. So here walk one. This video is about Marcia. Me have give her a little props in the video. And me I got FR up in the video. Alright? So I'm go on do. Soon be back. Me I move and change location. So yes, my people, before I get into the Marcia video, I won't be long enough, but before I get into the Marcia video, I have two little things I want to share with you people. One, I am going to choose Facebook because I said I don't really go up on Facebook on a regular basis. You know, I don't know why. I just not a lover of Facebook like that. But now and again, I go see what I go on because you know, say enough of the people them not have no platform or YouTube. Some of them might even have but a Facebook. Them say you have people who love more than for Facebook more than YouTube, and you have people who love for YouTube more than Facebook. And when I look, you can't ask Lorraine because basically, my opinion, she have paid for do this because she and the so-called lawyer, secretary, lawyer this or lawyer that, me not feel like them have them qualities here. All of these, what you call it now, skit where you have on Facebook on your page, the money where you give whosoever you give to do this skit for you, why you not take it and go fix up yourself? Go patch out your body. 1. 2. Go take out the false teeth that were not fit good in your mouth. That coming like from back in the days when you know there's some man on some backyard where technology not dead and them just plaster your thing like when your finger, your hand or your foot broke and them plus plaster polish and plaster it. Yes. It coming like from them time the year false teeth met Lorraine. Yes man, from them time when man I set your just come and take your impression and just push up in your mouth. And take the impression of your mouth and then them set it and them throw liquid in it like something like plaster polish. Yes, and them throw it in it, or them take the impression of your mouth and set it and then build your teeth off it. So most time, most people teeth never normally build good. You understand? Is it that build with a little shape so, or build with some of them build with some wire where after a while the wire start to them up in the gum and all them sitting there. So it come like from them the time the your teeth build. And if you realize say your teeth need for change and you live in America where you praise so much and say you have your money and your man this and your husband this and you have money at waste and make them skit ya because all of them skit where you make about Paula them on bike and helicopter over her Paula try run but she can't run I see the skit them, I smile, I not lie, I laugh. Them kind of hilarious. You understand? She have about 3 of them and she have Dana in the police car there, so Dana look through it and she have play music or something in the background. But when me I say take your money and go fix up yourself. You understand? Because you need some fix up, Lorraine. Larry the Lizard, you need fix up. You understand what me I say? So stop wasting your money man and do all them skit because you say all of them skit the way you do. Jesus peace that will come round to aunt you. It is going to come round to aunt you. Because all of them that skip the way you do, you're going to find yourself in that same position not long from now. Because if you can't answer to the courthouse, because in a Jamaica them say fine and confine. So the judge can fine you and confine you. So you got to do a time and still have to pay a fine. You understand? I don't know if it's the same thing in America, fine and confine you can get. But go sit down and pray to Father God that it not reach a stage there. And probably you only pay a fine where you still can't find. You might have to go milk Steve bank book. You understand? Because you're sitting down milking Steve bank book for a long while now because you're not doing anything. You look at Uber work where you do nothing. Now go on for your Uber work because you take the time and depend on social media. You understand? Me here say they do one little job where you go look after people like what Kaka Aya do. Me don't know what happened to that. You understand? So you continue to milk out Steve little savings we him have. And now you're gonna need money. So Steve gonna even have much money where you gonna want to pay a lawyer, plus you pay for definition of character and all kind of charge you are gonna brought against you when you find guilty. Right now we know. Only no shell, you know. Are the best only right now, you know. Only just try to keep up. You understand? But how long we not gonna try? How long we not gonna try to keep up? When the right time come, it a go dread. I would sing that song. When the right time come, we not go want to drink champagne, have to drink champagne soda like me. But as me say, Larry the Lizard, go fix up yourself, man. Them only pass skit the way you do now go help you in the court of law. You understand me? I say probably it's gonna go against you. If you see how you torment the woman. So all those skits where you make probably you give the woman evidence against you. Yes, you never realize that. You know build more evidence against you. How you tarnish and drag down the woman. Remember that. Anyway, my people, the next thing I want to bring to your attention. You see, this same woman ever claims say she buy ticket and she feel threatened and she want back her money. I tell you, say this woman on come on social media come pretend as if she's a changed person, pretend like she want peace. You know, she just pretend like she want to see this big change on social media overall. Not just where we is in this diaspora, but overall all the foolishness that are going on social media, she just want a change. She want it stop. I'm pretty sure she knows she will never see that stop. Because the owner for the apps knows say that's most of their money make. Because nothing sells like drama mix up and you understand? Drama mix up and them something they sell. So even the apps owner knows if that we cut out, revenue drop. So when you come and pretend as if you want that to change, we know you don't want no change. As I say, I go through social media people and Facebook me depend. And I say, let me click on our page and see if anything I go on. Because I hear somebody say something recently. So I said, because see what she did say. Anyway, I stroll, I see it on YouTube. So I say, save it over Facebook. So I stroll. Alright, I stroll. I say she post a picture today. A today picture. Wanna look. This is with Dana and Noel. And she captioned it. This is how Uno show the woman real love. Take time out to go visit and support her events. No sit down on social media and cuss off people fear. I said what I said. I read again. Because I want to listen when I get that. You know, because there's another article not pertaining to over yasso. Not pertaining to Planka Nation, Planka Shop, and who them say a war and a cuss it down. But me just want to listen again. Because I want to understand where I'm getting at. This is what you write in the caption with Noel and Dana today. See there? This is how you show the woman real love. Take time out to go visit and support her events. Now sit down on social media and cuss off people fear I said what I said. So basically, as I said, she said come out and she said she's a changed person. She wants to change in her social media. And she have been saying this from the back end of last year. Come right up to now, and now we are going into what? Our 7th month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. We are going into our 7th month, so we have done half of the year, and she's still trying to say this and putting it out there that she's a changed person, and someone who not believe in a change, someone who not want change, and who not want believe so she change. She done with the back and forth and the cuss and the passa, and she don't want to see it no more. She don't even like it. Alright, I continue to scroll down because, as I said, I want to find something that I was looking for that I heard somebody said, and I have not seen it on our YouTube page. So I said, let me go and stroll down. So I stroll down. Come on, I don't like use a phone anymore. So I stroll down. Alright, make a pause right there, so. I see where she captioned something. Destiny run out pan blinger in defense of Spice. No, sir. Listen what this woman repost on her page. Somebody who is talking about she tired of the cuss and the pan. She want change and she want to see change in social media. Listen to this, people. You know, listen for yourself. See it here? Let me show you. See that? This is she repost this. Let me show you. See her name there? See her? Hold on. Let the glare of the phone come off. Alright, see it there? See her name? So me not tell no lie on her. See it there? Jamaican Queen Bee. Alright. Alright, I call this up now.
Stinking gal, big dirty gal. Remember a long time in the like blood class Spice. You see one song on YouTube when you in blood clot. That song make me feel hard. You go panic people can me make you get blood clot. You big thinking gal. Maybe that fuck nothing back in the blood clot days. Fuck out.
And the cussing and the rare go on and on for nearly 3 minutes. And this is what she reposts. Remember, you know, she a cry for peace and all these things. This post 13 hours ago. And the one with Noelle is supposed 11 hours ago. Right? So 2 hours after. How it ago? Which one that post was? So one that post 13 hours. Right? So she post that 13 hours and 11 hours after. That's right, go? Yeah, because one post 2 hours before. She post this up here, so. You understand? And she come out on platform and beg for peace and she wants to see things change in social media. And, you know, look what you repost. Yes, everybody have them right to them own platform for do what them want to do. But we are saying here, why you gonna come in the public here so now and say, boy, you not done, man. It not look good. You not 2 cousins, you not 2 sisters, you not 2 brothers, you not done. It not look good in the public eye. In the public eye. Just like how you talk in the public eye, you say this to the public. But when you go around this and you meet one of the cousins and one of the sisters, oh, I do your family, man, she wrong, man, you should just lick her with the piece of bone. If I me like you, man, you see all the sitting them she have in her hand, I would have grabbed them from her when me done dash them. But it's still, when it in the public where everybody hear you, you go on like he's a peacemaker. Go around the corner. And the same thing you do yourself on your platform. You can't want to say you have change from something. Okay, probably you're saying in this diaspora. No. At your age, if you want a change in this type of mix-up, passa drama, you're supposed to want it in every nook and cranny where you go. You understand? Because if you're a big woman like you will want a change, certain nook and cranny and corner, you shouldn't go. That you have to see all these things. That you feel so pleasing of yourself to take it and repost it on your page. So you see, so you send 2 different signals. You see why you cannot be trusted. With all the change where you say you change and whatsoever. You're sending 2 different signals, lady. For your age. Don't come out here, come tell people to do this and do that and look into this and look into that and this and Tara not and Warren not when you are not doing nothing near what you're preaching. Nothing near you're doing. And this is what I always said from last year until now. You come out this year and you jump up and you say, oh, people who don't know me attack or the queen was me attack. You come out here and you jump up and you say, boy, look at them. This is all they do. They cuss people for the woman. Them this. Ooh, and the cast, I can't take it. And I gone and I this and I that. And I have nothing more to do with it. I gone on my vacation. And I am not coming back and I need to see change. Ray. I go like it up on a pulpit and you chat and everything. And you call down Jesus Christ from the sky. And you trample the devil on the ground. Yes, and you speak in tongues. And you do everything. But as one little cast come out and you see, Lord, I can't go past this one year. I know I tell her that I gone on 6 days vacation and I'm not coming back to social media until about the 7th or the 8th days when I come back from my vacation. And where, but I couldn't make this one year pass me. I have to come out with this one year. Lord, this, that, or peak woman like you. From last year, I said this. And look on this, just in one day, you have been saying all the way I say from week and from how long, but just in one day of posts you have made on your platform, preaching, this is what I want to see, and ray. But before you post that, it's like you fuel something. When you repost that with destiny, you fuel something. But it's still you want to see change. You don't want to see no change. Anyway, people, we are jumping at the Marcia thing, you know. Yes, man. Never look at video more and dissect with Marcia. Alright? So, I'm getting at that. So, people, let me ask you a question now. You couldn't tell me, say, Marcia joined the Navy? How are the Rasta, ja? I saw US Army desperate for people to serve. That at VRH she wasn't an old soldier. They said them call up Bacchanal because them need the experience. Marcia joined the Navy at her age 63. Oh, sorry, 51. She joined the Navy. Marcia, come here, Marcia. For somebody will preach on phone and talk and show off and brag and go on with yourself, or you have much clothes and expensive clothes from cheap clothes and all kind of different type of clothes. And from what day you just a shopper buy some whole heap of cheap clothes. Is it that you're not washing? Is it that you cannot wash at the people them place? They don't allow you to wash there? Is it that you don't have no, well, we know you don't know if you wash, because look, most of the one show you up at the post office that you have to mute the live. When the woman asking you about address and you have to have proof of address to change the address where you want change, and the woman start telling the criteria, boom, Marcia mute the live because she don't want the woman chat certain thing because Marcia don't have a fixed address. Because the address that Marcia have with the post office, Marcia have to try change it now because she don't want no mail go there, so nothing to go there. So you understand? But the woman say you cannot change unless you have proof of address. And when the woman start lay out the criteria, Marcia room, I the mute. So you can't hear where I go on. But Marcia, who have sense, understand, and probably the American them already understand. So you should have mute the live for you know that. Because you live in America too long. So you should have know, say the woman are going to bring the criteria to you and members are live you're depend. So people are going to hear. You know, so when they come on to you, a movie star, you know, Hollywood star, you know, Tyler Perry star, you know. So you know, say, people are going to run in every job or thing they get for you. But as I say, me come out here to burn you. Ways where you have in a social media, and me come to pick up something where me see also. And I hope you can continue upon the line there. But when me say, I could get back to the Navy. Marcia, you buy the little cheap something. I don't know if it's a winter coat, summer coat. I don't know what kind of coat. But it don't look like nothing for winter nor summer. You understand? It just look like one ordinary normal top. And from you buy the top, Marcia, you just living at the top every time I see you, I swear I work here go. Me I wonder if one soldier work 24 hours so. Eh? Every day I see you, I see at the army top, the man say you can't change it for a big deal. Jesus, please. People, me there I watch a video. And just as me I go talk about Marcia slippers, because I see she buy one slippers so she a brag. And oh, like she say, see there, I mean I can't buy this. I mean I can't. I don't know how much she slippers, bro. Our Coach or Gucci or Gucci, I don't know what kind of slippers she say. But basically to how she attack, she go on like a brand slippers. And she wave it. Oh, you can't buy me, you can't buy this me. And she wave and she wave and she wave like she up on the old time waving gallery out of Norman Manley. You know, back in them days when your family member go away and the waving gallery up there, you go there, the police. And you ball cause your people are going and you wave them and when you see them come up on the plane step. As some man say I wave the slippers and I show off what price and how she buy and who can buy and who can buy. But man say if you buy the slippers you have it on in a yard, you have it on your bedside, you have it on I go post send off things at post office. Up to since night you go have dinner with me see in a Marcia and the same camouflage top Marcia. Dinner time. And your man a go out and from there you dep on the road and you see him one saying, man saying in the video saying you carry no clothes, you know, more than what you have on your back, you know. So you didn't know say you go out with your man in the evening and after running up and down from morning that in your car and put on makeup on your dirty face and I put on and fix up and all kind of sick, no man say. And in the evening you never have nowhere to go bed. Man say it not look good man. So the man couldn't carry a female and the two go bed and play like a drop soap. You know, like a drop soap. You know, drop his soap, man say. Drop his soap, man say. Make care. Drop his soap, man say. Drop his soap, man say. Bend down and pick up the soap, man say. Cause the man round there. Drop his soap. Not even like a drop his soap, you couldn't go and go up your man say. So the man don't live nowhere neither. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say I'm married man, you say David. Me don't know why you say so. But anyway, my people. Me just come to ask that two little question there and me I go play one video. You understand? But when me ask the question, just as she reach, cause she must go visit one doctor today. And just as she reach the car park, people and step out of the van. And me see the slippers, it coming and me talk. And me I say, but Marcia, Jesus peace. It coming like Marcia, you hear me? Just as me I think the same thing, yeah, Marcia. Me know no phone I go come talk about if I buy the slippers, me not come out right. Me I feel one day she hear me. Me not talk out no more a video. Me I go play a video, me can hear it. Me talk enough. The amount of thing man said to this car, me I want for self-wash. If she just go, she go to the place and wash it herself. The steering wheel never wipe off. The steering wheel never wipe off. She have to go for sit and come spraying in the car like on the carpet, it sound like an air freshener. So what? Me don't know. Wanna tell me? Wanna see the place? What Russell sitting under the car wash? It's like me I fear wonder if she just drive up there and wash a vehicle herself. Me don't know. But anyway, make you stay tuned for what she have to say right here, so.
If she over here, don't even look on that bitch. Don't even pay her no mind today. Today, my dear honey. God has been good to me without complain. But you know about she. Me have my sheet them to go sell. And me work and me get my pay.
So what? Oh, the woman we are torment her. You don't know that woman there? Don't so we are torment her.
So she can't go and put her business me half of the whole weekend. I mean I have to go back to work until Monday 3 o'clock.
Wow.
So today, a time for me to go spend with my boyfriend, with my man. When me done, go me doctor and go sell my sheet them.
And you know go bed. You know go change clothes. Me can't understand that you're there on road all day as me I say. And you're boss but go spend time with man. Big woman like you know, they on social media boss say you go spend time with man. How man carry guy me hard for you to get fresh up. The same set of clothes, them and everything when you in a whole day does a blow up all about your caca wall. And you go spend time go eat dinner with. Me not wrong the man when them way that the dirty crap they come up Father's Day date. Because me not see no difference. I just be a chattings and no difference. Cause you're not better. You're not better off. You're not better.
Today it's time for me to go. We're going to go for dinner. We go all over the movie, go watch movie and spend time together. I mean, I have no time.
Without getting a fresh.
Tell them
Master talk about hygiene so much and smell good. So you gotta spray body spray and cologne and makeup and dirty skin. Not even a wash off face. So you gotta put makeup on. Oh, you say you have wipes in your vehicle to wipe your hands. So basically you gotta use it to wipe off the makeup. And add fresh makeup, Marcia. It not look good, it not turn good, Marcia. You're a star. If you don't have no way the man supposed to have somewhere to carry your Marcia. And if you're there with this man over here, Marcia, you and him not have no good credit, Marcia. So you take up a man just like you when not no credit like you when him can't carry him yard. Cause him have family, him have wife. So you want them to say him can't rent somewhere, Marcia, one away, Marcia, I know say I phone a place that. I want to do spot that. Where you can't go bed, you can't go sleep when you left your workplace. Marcia, when you left the woman place, me did hear like you say you have somewhere else in a Connecticut. So which part of the place that you know, Marcia? Because nothing with this say you couldn't get there as the address when you got the post office, Marcia. Because you don't have no proof of address. It don't look good, Marcia. You take up a man, we have read against him name just like you. Him can't rent to a little place if I'm with tone to pay for it. Jesus, Marcia, it don't look good. So when Dugu men come, or you go a hotel, sex shop, F shop. Because you can't go married go do that. Because you can't afford it. And it better you have your little one spot, Marcia. Why? It not look good. All day you left work and they all about to sell sheet to doctor this, taranat. Dust just a blow underneath your cacasso. And all about you had good thing you have on tights underneath the soldier clothes. Marcia, it don't look good. You should have bathed before you go on the dinner date. You should have bathed, Marcia.
Sit down and watch and learn and see God blessing. Who God bless, no man curse. She try to damp on the business and tell people if you're not buying nothing from me, me still I make me sheet them a sell.
Lady down a
If I
country.
even choose somebody then come shop with me said way.
Not the lady at town. The lady down a country. Because the lady down a
Nobody
town
can
now
close
have
it.
them
So
something
as
there.
long as I have this sheet, my door can't close. So me not have no time for them today. Today is my time to go spend time with my man and enjoy myself.
Oh, you mean?
They're luckier than me.
Who nah no man a bat.
I'm gonna sell my sheet them. So today is not for them. The negativity now go on. Anything when I say today, real to show up myself life.
Marcia with the good soul. Oh, you mean? Good soul woman have. When a grudge woman for a good soul, she can't have a man. Where? When the move alone, woman.
Nobody.
Nobody.
Because I'm surprised. Me surprising. Because I tell him I'm not coming. It was so disappointed because I'm not come back there next week till we get my car fixed. So him don't even know I'm here. When me done do everything I have to do, me tell him. When me done, him don't even.
So Marcia suppose, what the hell I'm proud of Marcia go catch him with a woman you know? How would that happen? Can you tell the man say you nah come up? Marcia sometimes nice is surprise, you know, sometimes not nice is surprise. And you have to pick and choose where you use and surprise. Because it might backfire upon you. And that's how you go on like your heart strong. Me know right now if you got buck all this man with another woman. Heart is strong heart where you have. Me know it a go weak. The string them are just up like a melt off. You can go on like we're strong sometimes, you know. But the inner part of us is very weak. The outer part of us, Marcia, sometimes we play like we're strong and we're tough. But the inside of it is very tender and delicate. You see how the heart string them. The string them will hold up your heart. The simplest a jerk your heart get, Marcia, it gone. So it's not nice to see a surprise man, Marcia. It's not nice unless you prepare for where you go see or get.
I say I'm here. Me surprise him. I saw me love to trick man. Me don't love to tell him nothing. Me not tell him nothing. He doesn't know I'm coming. I told him I'm not coming until next week. Me not coming back up here until my truck from fix. He don't know I'm there.
So Marcia, you fix a truck for there now.
when me done do
Look how
everything,
long.
Me tell him. And he was so
You're so
sad. He was
cockatoo and got a
really
truck front the stay for so long.
I said no. Me not come back up there until my truck from.
As bad as thing be, my little old 32-year-old car, if it did get a lick down the bumper shell off like how year one stay, it fix long time, Marcia. Cause first thing me gonna do, if me have to drive it on my only foot, me take off the bumper and me carry go get it plastic well and fix up. And then me take another day and carry go the body man, make him do what him do. Yes, cause the bumper now for dip on the vehicle for spray, Marcia. But oh, you're too cockatoo, you're not gonna drive it without bumper. Sorry, I forgot. I don't know American law, I don't know if you can get a ticket, cause probably you can get a defective vehicle ticket, so I don't know. But Marcia, that not take long, Marcia. Not take long.
Me have things to do.
Your man have a nice car. Sexy ride. You said it, Marcia. That he's not driving. Based on what me see. Because you have to be carrying him to work and from work. Me never ever see you cock up your foot on the dashboard, Marcia. A theme car where you say him having big, docious car. I just year van him living a Marcia. Me don't know if a 2-year van complete. Cause remember your van on a short of toilet and bathroom, kind of a kitchen in there. Cause the amount of food dropping in your van. You know this a video I mean you just done car wash. And you say what a whole patty crumbs and sitting and you never eat no patty after the car wash. So you never vacuum out. Yes, me, you say you vacuum it out. So I say you clean house, Marcia. You know, move bed. You know, move your curtain and wipe on the wall which part of the window there, Marcia. You just dash out one eye front there, so. You know, you just move the whispering as my parents used to say back in the days. You know, draw away bed and draw away things and sweet, Marcia. But Marcia, you could have borrowed your man car, left at a garage, drive go from work to where, cause him not drive a car, Marcia. But you're so lie. You're so lie. But oh, him have him car, him have him big car. Oh, big name car, him have, you never really call on name, but it's a big name car. And we never ever yet see him in it, Marcia. I just, you have to go back and forth for him. It not look good.
You know, some idea. You see, early me come up because I have a doctor's appointment. Me tell him, say, I have a doctor's appointment, so tell him I cancel it. You can't tell man everything, you know.
So you lie to the man, I open the man lie to you, you don't feel no way.
Surprise them and see if they have the plans. And nothing. You can't tell them nothing. Yes, my dear. Me not even care up no clothes, cause me I got this stuff to pick some things out and carry over so and go start out some clothes. Me not even care nothing with me. Only me makeup kit me carry with me. I don't have my clothes and me this morning and put on. I don't care nothing because I need no clothes.
A girl like you no need no clothes. And then you come out and come cuss people out then nasty and then dirty and you this. And you left which part you left from. Basically you left from your workplace, which part you work. I come to New York. So one state to another you drive from early morning, you know. And you hop and down on road. Doctor visit, car wash, post office. You go up and you look at ends them go sell your sheet. And then with all that we have done from morning till noon till night, you go up and dinner date with man. We don't have a fresh. All who know, how would you do that song over there? All who know be it from morning run go walla. Cause if you the one in England did I sing do the Red Dragon. I wish that throw word pan again. Did you remember? Yes man, I sing the Red Dragon. I'm gonna say this now. All who know be it from morning run go walla fresh. All who know be it from morning run go walla. Because you wake up in the morning and you do walla. Evening come and you do walla. Night time come and you gone at dinner with your man, you is a nasty. Go walla fresh, go walla. All who know be it from morning run go walla fresh. Go walla fresh.
If I know somebody there, me trick him. Me love to trick people. Me not love to tell man.
I bet you don't like when people trick you.
Yes, dear. So you don't know, he don't have a clue. Him don't have a clue. Him they like 10 minutes from me right now. Me have a clue. I mean, no one soon text me tell me good morning and call me. Me tell him I don't have a clue. Me tell him some
Early morning, you know, because she try beat the traffic.
The person asked me to work today.
So, so early she wake up. So if she even all about when she wake up, which we don't know if she all about, because she might just bath from last night, go to bed and wake up. put on clothes, try beat traffic for reach where she a go. Early morning, cause she a try beat the morning traffic. And all day they on the road. And for the hot, slick, sexy, pretty, smell good, look good, have all how much shower gel where you be with one in a one bath. You be with all 4 or 5 shower gel. I don't know where you wash off so or a wet kind of smell you look so. You never know this a day that come where sometimes not even one of the shower gel you can use. You never know this a day that come where all your boss boy man have to slick and smell good. You end up now go slick and smell good and I go out with the man. You never know say the day go come when Father's Day go come and you go carry out your man, I mean a dirty sneakers. Oh sorry, dirty sneakers are leak. You understand? You never know the day that come. Stop brag and boast. Stop brag and boast. Just go and live life. Take life day by day. Live it day by day. Stop being bossy and show off. And sometimes when you bossy and show off and nothing at all. And when it show up, say you not show off and boast and nothing at all. And I feel so shame. That if even your own picnic say no. Or say, Grandma, Mommy, may you step in the pool of water? Because you're so ignorant with yourself. When you lead yourself to be ignorant with yourself. You understand? Your son or your daughter or your granddaughter or your grandson, whosoever it may be, I show you say, Grandma, may you step in the water. Mommy, may you step in the water. Nothing about them not tell you, Protect you, them I protect you, but you're so ignorant with yourself because of what is going on with you in your life, personal life. Because of how you did set it before. You never know say a day like this did go come. Stop being bossy and show off on people. What people where you show off on be there 3 times for this a day, yeah?
Yes, man, we can't tell people, you can't tell man your plan. Nope. Me I got a doctor's appointment right now. When we done, me I go back to post office. And me have to sheet them to go sell. My mission is to sell my sheet them today. Me have to go pick my vehicle over $2,000 to fix it. For everything I want to get done. So I have to get my stuff them sell. Yeah, a long time me have it.
Unless you sell off today.
An issue, but you need to fix now.
The woman says she have to sell off today. May God go with your master.
Me have to work on it.
Because I want to change in a year, so may God go with you. Yeah. Yeah, so my car clean up, but we could change is good.
I guess if you should have known better, probably any head didn't know say a lie, say tell me. Because you know, maybe I think say a lie, me tell the government the truth. Maybe I think say a lie, me tell. A 2 weeks, you know, say me.
So you want to say, at 2 weeks, no church, you don't get no water. Church, you spring it to one water still worse when you attack up in a age like your age 63, you know, man. So, you might not need no whole heap of water. Because church, you spring it to one water. Worse when it get whole, you just have spring water go away, so spring water go away. So, you wonder if I'm one of them. Because the amount of water all your church, I must say that's why you take so much dicky. When time you can't get it. Okay, sorry, I don't know. So you're taking enough because you know say days are gonna come and weeks are gonna come when you not get no dicky. So you're just taking enough when you can't take it. Me not wrong you. Pile it up, store it up.
I'm telling you.
Remember where you is concerned, man, limited.
So, you don't have a clue. Okay.
Oh, people, at this point of the video is when she will come out of the van and I see the slippers. I go see if I can show no. And just as it thrown in my thought, it come like Marcia hear me. Me know no phone out there go chat how much me just living at the slippers. I wanna go hear the excuse why she living at the slippers. Alright, she go park now. Alright, make sure the screen can come up when you can see. Alright, look on the slippers. See slippers there? Right there, so I start say it, you know. And here Marcia now right away. Here Marcia now, listen.
Not everything, honey.
Wanna see the slippers?
One of it tell man.
So here are. Listen now. You know, listen
so
now.
when I go and see me now slippers, I feel the whole summer. I have to get my money worth out of it. It's very comfortable.
Master says she have to get her money's worth because it's very comfortable. You see it? It come right back to what me I say. Because of the person where she make herself seems to be. She I got always think say when she do certain things, she knows say she pass certain line, certain level of who she portray herself to be, you know. So basically her guilt kick in. So the guilt kick in, so she gonna say, me no gonna say, I'm not gonna tell you see me in this slippers here, but me not stop where my money's worth. Me not it's comfortable. Yes, so the only slippers you have are comfortable. So all of the slippers you buy uncomfortable. I say you're going like you take people for idiot. Anyway, she got a doctor visit here now and she gonna mute the live, so I can move down to it.
I am wearing my coat slippers.
A coat or a coat, she said. Aye. The life start freeze up there, so. So this is where now Marcia gallbladder shots were introduced to gallbladder shots and to cheap. It's free, not cheap, because she said it's expensive. But a good thing she ain't rich and she wouldn't get it free. Because if she's rich, she would have to pay much money for it. You saw this woman I think about free. Everything free. Because why would I would want to swap freeness for richness? Because you like to get things free. You get the opportunity to be rich. And you say no, because if you're rich, you have to go pay a fee. Because basically that's what she's saying here, you know. But anyway, she says she get fat. She feel it in her neck and her face, and she getting fat because from she do the gallbladder something or another surgery or take shots or sitting. Make she talk. Me no want bite my tongue and chat foolishness and tell no lie.
Excited, just a little something.
Listen up, you know. When 99 I do exercise and I get fat, she find fault. And she could have see 99 I get fat.
No, I just want to lose 50 pounds.
50
For
pounds.
my age.
You want to lose 50 pounds. That's a lot for you to lose. That's how much you think you are fat that you want to lose 50 pounds. So before you gain that fat and that weight, you never watch your weight. But you did find time to watch 99 weight. 50 pounds is a lot for someone want to lose. Basically, you never have that the weight when you watch 99 weight, you know. Because you could have never have that and watch somebody else one. Alright, put that aside. You are gain it. And you still never watch it while you are gain it. That it not reach that far. That you want to take off 50. But you'll find all the time if you watch 99 one. I tell you in a phone, you know. You see, you prefer people over on yourself. Because when I get up every day, I see people problem on no see phone one. You watch people business on not take care of phone business. So basically you love people over on yourself. I don't know where you want to come from. Or where you could have come from.
Just want to lose 50 pounds.
50
Because
pounds.
it's heavy. And I like so big, what I'm just saying. Me tell the show, but me want to lose 50 pounds. Yes, 50 pounds will get me down in my age group. I will live a little longer. Yes.
People, if she lose 50 pounds, she pass call dog. Crying in a beat she. If she lose 50 pounds, crying in a beat she. Because more likely, remember her gut done out us already. And the foot then little bit so. So up here so bigger. And down you're so fine, and in a middle you're so big so. So basically, if she feel lose 50 pounds, half of the little body weight where she have, like her down on the fine foot, they suck her, they gonna lose weight too, you know. Me no want to see her, you know what, they want picture circulate to the woman now white sitting and suck one lollipop or one kiss or what kind of pop she want, and so remember that video there, one picture with it that circulate. That's so she would look. And no would have want that the picture if you match up with her if she lose 50 pounds.
Dear. I have more energy and look a little younger.
You know, go take some form of medication to lose it.
Once you gone over 200 pounds, that's too much.
Like how you do whatsoever you do with gallbladder and it make you gain weight. There is some other medication out there that can make you lose weight too. Or some shots out there that can make you lose weight. Go and go take him and make you lose weight, man.
Yes, my dear. I'm tall already. I think so. You have to lose. I mean, me not that big enough, but I'm just saying. But you know, see it until you go up on the scale.
You feel to convince yourself that you're big.
You go up on the scale.
But you would so jump on for somebody else big.
Especially if you have high blood pressure, get them away to pressure will go down. You will then you go up on the something. So through me here, about a little injection.
And a free. And you are free. You don't listen, you know. You don't listen, yourself.
So alright, ladies. Watch out. You know my vehicle dust up already. The back window, me just don't wash it. Nah, that's massive. Then with the back side, we turn off the vehicle for. I'm just a good so. I'm bad a bit now. Not even turn it off good. If me never gain weight, they wouldn't want to give me a little injection. Me tell them say me I gain weight from me do the gallbladder. Me not like that. From me do the gallbladder removal, me not stop put on weight. And I eat. Me don't want to come see on YouTube where them I gain weight. So I don't hear nothing from a lady. I don't hear it.
She a reach the part now where me go give her a little props, sir. Because, as me say, you saw which part right now, to which part she dead in the mud right now. You saw which part she need to pick up herself and start focus some more in getting back herself fully on her feet. Because right now upon her little toe she there. And more likely, when I'm telling you this, I want a big toe holding up here. I want a big toe balance on her. You understand what I say? So if she end up to lose fear to them that I look to them, she depend, you know, right now she unbalanced bad. So this is the focus I want to see her, you know. You understand? Because see them very dirty, you know. You understand? And as me say, me not fight fire with fire, me fight it with fuel. One way I have to go. But it not reach that level there. You understand? For me, I fight against her with fuel. You understand? We just do what we do on social media. So we don't like to say, you take up yourself out of the mud, lady, and stop fast in a progressive people business. I know they make you the way you're there. I just the ways where you have and how highly you think of yourself. You understand? And when you think highly of yourself, you know, you will never see nothing wrong with what you do. Because you think so highly of yourself. You're so into yourself. That things are happening in your eyesight and you just feel if you accept, say yes, it happen. She got to look at selling. She call a woman, yeah. Listen.
And they're today for $25. The queen, you have king. You have here,
this is how we want to see you do. Pull up some places.
Very cheap is my anniversary, so
remember now you don't really live now we have such, you know, so it's like you get all them time off you said today Friday, Saturday and Sunday and Monday before you go back to work. Yes, you take all them time, you take little time and rest, because remember your body whole, you know. So you need little rest. And then you drive out New York, Connecticut, Queens and oh Marcia rotted. Marcia hold on there. Marcia, look at this lovely picture. And the videographer take this one here, you know, people who look for Marcia got in front of her. Who no look at people? Who no look for Marcia got? And she begs, you know, can come like the man a plan to buy. Although me see like him have one underneath him arm, but it's like she not get no money yet. You understand? Marcia, you never see this a photographer, yeah? Cause the one you know call to you, Marcia. Close up shot this in a Marcia, look there. Marcia, me can tell you all the road where they exactly where they can get all the information there, Marcia. Watch belly man, Jesus, please don't watch it. Watch it. And you come across people about big and fat and all and sitting there. All them ratty but the fine foot, they look like them put on a little fleshy chew. It put on fleshy chew, people see there. Foot our camera make them look so fat. But look the people. Man say you never see this a videographer you call that one I never call to you boy. So man say you say why you must trouble people in a phone and go on like you're bad people, man say. Talk about you go pick up people's face and you go pick a buckle and chewing up. You see it, man say. Watch how you hold your left open, man say. No security guard, no security, no personal security details, nothing, man say. Watch your man say. You can't do them something, man say. You have to look around your surrounded. All know the person say you know look round none at all. You just penetrate the man like you don't mind the man take a whole of every sheet in there so how when him now no bed. Cool your toe. Man, let me tell you which part you did there. You did there 172 or it will be 172 2nd Street and Liberty Avenue, Marcia. Right, that's how the person catch you, Marcia. 172 2nd Street and Liberty Avenue, Marcia. Anyway, continue. I know you saw this, you know, different place. But I've say me give her props, me like how she a goat.
I take ketchup and sell. Oh, this, I don't even have any money. Honestly, they are nice. Yeah, they're very nice. But keep my number when I come back. These are
Yes,
kitchen
man.
mats.
Promote yourself and your business, man.
They're,
This me want to see.
Two for 30, but if I can give it $12 a piece if you want them. I tell you what, give me your number and I can. Yeah.
Marcia just tell the woman say she's from out of town, you know, because she feel like so when she tell the woman that dig deep now because the woman says she don't have no money now. But probably if she tell the woman say she's from out of town, the woman that say, okay, I might not see you back then, okay, make her buy one. I did have some money for do something else, but make her buy one. But when she realized that the woman definitely not have no money, Marcia say, no, I'm from around here, you know. She switch back right away. After she just tell the woman say she's from out of town. Now man says, no, I'm from around here, you know, but I mostly out of town, but I still come back around now and again. Hey, man say you're bad. Immediately Marcia switch her mouth. Oh, you mean? Show them say business bright and bloomy. Yeah, and some want tea girl come show her business too.
It's 860.
I live here, but I go back and forth. Right now it's switched from out of town.
860. 292 0795.
This you want to see, man.
Marcia.
I like how Marcia can put out her things in Tina and we see a so if you can put out your product and start spread lie and rumors.
Okay. Is that your number ringing? Yes, it's ringing right here. Okay, that's my number 71. So you store it as Marcia, the sheet lady. Marcia.
Oh, you mean?
These barbers nowadays, you gotta call them. They don't sit on their shop.
Marcia Ghana barber girl. Just don't put on makeup on the dirty skin, you know. Just put on makeup on the dirty skin, boy.
Want to eat or eat in very small portion. You take it? So I see people on it, I see them lose now weight. My neighbor was on it, and she said she lost 40 pounds in 4 months.
So you want to lose 50?
But me know other people on it, I say losing it. Well, let me see. How much me drop right now in February.
Love too much freeness.
Qualify for that, Ross, if me rich. If me rich, I want to qualify for that 4 o'clock. I've got to pay $3,000 fee. I have more money. Almost 3,000 or 2,000 about a turn for shot. Me know how much money. But
So
I
she
get that
swap
blood clot
freeness to richness because she don't like pay, she like it free.
From me tell them say me feel like kind of pain at the pan and the gallbladder removal and make me put on weight. And my blood pressure. They must get terrorists.
Anyway, the freeness there, you know, she tell any amount of life you get it, you know.
Otherwise,
Any amount of life you get the freeness.
What about money?
But you get it free.
Yes, my dear. Because I know people have to pay for it little. And it work. I know a friend depend it and it work. But she exercise freak, so she ain't go pan it. I know she ain't go pan it for about me. Shock when me see her. And me I say, but wait here. But she said, she won't pan it, but she go get it, brother. You have to stick, you have to inject yourself in your leg or somewhere. Because you're afraid I need you. So I have to go up to the nurse next week. And then make sure I check myself once a week. That's my problem. That's my problem in the joking part.
Oi.
That is my problem. Yeah, man, I have to take the gallbladder removal, I'm putting on too much weight. Yeah. Me now and it's put on weight, so it's too much.
Yeah, damn man. But it's just that we not see you like one time when your mind kind of contented. Now your mind are contented. So we not see you oftentimes and I'm on camera. That's it. Like one time when they used to come show off. Your mind not that contented, so sometimes you don't bother draw for the camera.
Me I get whole. I mean I yam so. I may put on weight. I'm not supposed to put on a weight.
No, see how I catch you some else, yeah?
I ain't supposed to put on no weight.
See the US Navy close the she there. Cause I must say US Navy she join. Make sure live in a this top your son. See there? Most say US Navy top.
That is not it. As long as I don't have this purse with my ID and my bag here, I'm messaging them. Then you always go and make care about the little purse. I pay cockroaches and
I don't need no burst cockroaches there. The whole van full of cockroaches.
I pay cockroaches.
The whole van full of cockroaches.
I roll it up. Like a little camouflage. Like a little camouflage piece of shirt.
That's how you live in it, so.
Sure.
You like the slippers, true, you know you live in it, so you like it. Yeah, true, you know you live in the camouflage, you like it. So all the rest of clothes them you have, the amount where you say you have, you don't like them. So why you buy them? You're not too slick.
Let me roll up my sleeve and look like a army general. Army general.
You're too slick, man.
Guess who's coming to dinner? I'll get one beef patty. I want ginger beer. That I'll get
Bossy gas, yes.
a beef patty.
Bossy gas.
Oh, I got to pick up my prescription. Tell us more blood pressure pill. Let me want the whole. We have them over 3 months to my dash them away. After 3 minutes.
So man, so you say you're not sick, not do you. And you go doctor regular and check up on the doctor say, so what you do with blood pressure pill? Eh? I don't know, on the blood pressure pill you take. Because you have other pill where you take. Plus doctor tell you say you have to drink X amount of water because you not drink no water. So something must wrong with you. But here still, you claim you say you go here, there and everywhere. You go every specialist in a, you go organ specialist, body specialist. You go every specialist. And two you go, you say not do you. But you depend blood pressure pill. Who you too?
So me tell you, I need new one. I need a new one. Me have. But you know it is already. So I'm supposed to get every month, every month. Thank God, I think it's a net. So the whole. Yes, dear.
So if you not take them, what you take them for? Why you weakening the system? Because it's free, you're taking it.
So let me go about my
You're putting
business.
pressure upon the system.
So it's good to have cockroaches in your car. So when you don't want to carry a big bag, you get a little purse. A bag, we live in my car. Yes, my dear. What's the phone hot?
Anyways, people, my family, we come to the end of another video. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Wanna know what to do? Just do the do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support both of my channel. Life is a Mission TV. If you're not subscribed yet, go and subscribe now, because we have another epic dish. Although it's a signature dish, should have been on the channel already more than one time, but there's a lot of new subscribers over here, especially from that carrot coat, not that carrot pumpkin dumpling. So I want to continue to refresh somehow, you know, with some other things we have done on the channel before and other things to come. We not do yet neither. So I'm gonna do one of them things there. Come Sunday is a curry menu. So I'm gonna just go over, go subscribe. Life is a Mission TV. And remember Tamika Douglas TV and Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Give them a subscription. Bless upon yourself. I'm out. Happy Saturday.